You ready for this?
I'm ready. It's a nice box, huh?
Good papaya colors already. How it should be.
Never settle. I want to keep the box.
Definitely looks like there's something important going on here. Nice.
Oh, McLaren.
For Chinese.
Oh,
Wipe that.
fully customized. I think it all goes together very well.
I like this detail. The orange button here.
I like the back.
McLaren inspired colors, papaya. Ah, look, the thin line here. It actually looks very similar to our car. I don't know, it's super thin. You can even see it from here. Like, you see what's going on.
Paper thin.
It's quite impressive that it even goes round the edge.
Oh no. Choose fingerprint, set a pattern. I'm not gonna let you see my pattern.
You don't want to see mine either.
Done. I tell you what, no one's getting into this thing.
Looks pretty safe, yeah. You have this super powerful charge.
Charge, warp charge.
How do you call it?
Warp charge.
I like
Sounds good.
warp charge. You want to try the camera? I heard it's pretty detailed and a lot of quality.
Go on then.
Shall we just check this out? This is super cool.
Go on.
This is probably the coolest thing I've seen in a phone in a while. You want to take a selfie, right?
Yeah.
Look in the higher end part of the phone.
Out of nowhere.
It's super cool. I mean, definitely it's the best camera quality I've seen. Look,
Somehow makes you look better.
you can tell they've worked with F1. The attention to detail is impressive.
I love it. I love the theme and the colors of everything.